And that is what we have found here. The toilet came loose, and there is the culprit. The toilet flange broke. And that is actually a fairly heavy toilet flange too. You see it's got some thick black ABS plastic on it. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get a repair flange and bolt that down, and we'll be good as new. All right. Okay, kids, so here's what we got going. Fixing a broken toilet flange. So you see the two cracks there, and what I have done is taken some JB Weld water weld. It's the putty type epoxy, and I have mixed it up by hand and then pressed it down into the flange. And it has a 4,000 psi compressive strength, so it will be a very good strong hold. I couldn't change this because this is a glued in pipe. The flange is glued to that 12-inch standpipe, goes down into the tank, and I just didn't want to force the issue pulling that out, dealing with the rubber grommet down below and all that kind of stuff. So I got this OT repair ring, and I'm going to put some silicone caulk all around the rim here, and then set the ring into the silicone caulk. Then there's these 4 holes here which will line up with the holes on that, and then I'm just going to reuse the old screws here and set that down into the silicone caulk on that, and that will seal this thing up nicely, and it will be much, much stronger because it is a steel flange ring. Okay, so that's all I have for now. Let me go and do this. Everyone has seen caulk done before, so I don't need to record that, and you've seen screws, but so I'll just show you the end of it. Okay, kids, so there you go. We've got the flanges on nice and tight. The epoxy is hard, has a 4,000 compressive strength, which is great. And so now I'm just gonna grab the toilet and put the toilet back on, and we will be done. All right, so here's what we had to do to make this work. We had to grind about 1/8 of an inch off of the toilet inside here, because the repair flange lifts it up about 1/8 of an inch. So that's what we did. We ground it off. See, there's the marking pen there. You can see the amount that I've ground out here and here. All right, let's see if we get lucky. Okay, kids, the toilet is in, and it is actually, let me go wide angle here, actually much more solid now than that crappy old plastic flange. So there you see the shut-off valve I installed when I put the new toilet in. And let me see, just to make sure there's no leaks. Nope. See that? Dry fingers, no leaks. Good deal. So anyway, very happy with it. Working good. So that is what you do if you have a broken toilet flange, and like mine, it was glued, not screwed together. and it is a big job to change. All you have to do is get a OT or similar flat steel repair flange, put it down there, and then I did have to shave up the mount on the bottom of the toilet to clear the height of the flange. And so when you tighten it down, it does tighten down tight onto the flange. Very careful measuring, and everything is looking good now. So I'm happy we have a bathroom again.
I'm happy too.
Yes, the female is even happier than I am. She's dancing like Snoopy Dog.
Yeah, don't show me that.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, but, well, I'm not going to show you dancing because you're naked. Okay.
They haven't killed each other?
No. Just pull it back. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, does Archie know she's here?
Yeah, they've been sleeping together.
Really?
Yeah.
Mom, your hands are cold. Brr. Uh-oh, you know what though?
What?
I smell like a dog.
Oh. I'm sure they'll forgive you even. Okay, look at our dinosaur collection here. Stegosaurus.
Well, they got a walking trail and they say what they are. That's
You got a stallion galloping back there farther.
Rattlesnake Ranch.
There's a Dilophosaurus. There's another Allosaurus with a Ankylosaurus, armored dinosaur with a bony tail. Very nice reproductions. Okay, we're going to turn around here again.
We don't need to. Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Do it out your side then.
From my side now.
Oh, your window down.
Yep. All right.
Edit to put out.
Okay. Here we go again. Alright, there we go again. The Allosaurus and Ankylosaurus battling it out. There's a long neck dinosaur there. Can't tell exactly which one it is. You know, stupid phone is doing something that it shouldn't be doing. There's the Stegosaurus. There's like a giant snake there. Another T-Rex. Looks like a giant Gila monster there in the middle of the driveway. Some horses back there. Another Stegosaurus with sticks in its mouth that it's probably going to eat.